And I don't wanna be left out at night when I can't see everything that ain't right. I don't wanna be a rodeo. She'll lasso me up and off we go. And I fell in love with Annalise. She is the only girl who's ever been nice to me. She is my own little personal goat. She'll pick me up and drop me off, write me notes. She don't want me writing telegrams. I'll spell our names right here in the sand. She don't wanna be my everything, but she is, she was the best of me. I fell in love with Annalise. She is the only girl who's ever been nice to me. And I don't have a place to show. She circled my wagon, writes me notes. And sometimes I get frightened by the wind. She'll hold me in a place where I can win with Annalise. And I fell in love with Annalise. She is the only girl who's ever been nice to me. And I think she had her rodeo. She circled my wagon, and off we go. Line my cigarettes, loaded with regret, and I find myself a spot between space and time. Everything I know, yeah, it's got to go. And I wonder to myself, do I even try sometimes? I found myself a girl, should I say she once found me? I found myself a girl, should I say she found me? It's Oklahoma brown, all that is around. If I fell in love with you, could you fall in love with me, please too? You're my piece of pie, words I can't deny. If you fell in love with me, we fall in love with we, please too. I found myself a girl, or should I say she once found me? I found myself a girl, or should I say fall on me now? cigarettes, pack them with regret. If I had a choice, I'd be there for you too. I found myself a girl, should I say she who once found me? I found myself a girl, should I say she found me? Been here before for too many days, not enough time to get me away from feeling like I'm misunderstood. Then I walk in to the opening scene. It always seemed so serene. You're feeling like you misunderstood. Holding me up just with a kiss. You know in this life you just can't miss. And I wonder why I even try. What can I do to make it feel right? Can't you stay just for the night? And I will always wonder why. I slept here before for too many days. It's not enough time to get me awake from feeling like I'm misunderstood. As I walk in to my opening scene, the actors feel like a dream and feeling like we're misunderstood. You're holding me up just with a kiss. You know in this life